What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape YouTube comments automatically for content topic ideas on make.com. Let's get started. To scrape YouTube comments, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. So create an account on Apify, and after creating an account, head over to Apify store. Here, we'll search for the website that we like to scrape. In our case, we'd like to scrape YouTube. So I'm going to type in YouTube and then click on search. Here, you can see 141 tools that you can use to scrape YouTube. To scrape YouTube comments, I'm going to use this tool right here. On our tool, here is where we're going to paste the video URL that we like to scrape comments. Here we're going to choose the maximum comments that we like to scrape. In our case, I'm going to choose to scrape 10 comments. Here you can choose the sort order. You can either choose to sort via the top comments or the newest comments first. I'm going to select the newest comments first, and then here I'm going to click on Save and Start. You can see that our tool is running and it's awaiting to get our data. You can see that our tool ran successfully and it scraped 10 comments from the video URL that we pasted on our tool. Here, we're getting the 10 comments that our tool just scraped from our video. Besides the comments, you're also getting the author of the comment, the comments count, the video URL, the reply count, and the title of our video. We can create an automation on make.com that automatically scrapes the YouTube comments for us and add the YouTube comments into a Google spreadsheet. And then we can go ahead and use the comments as content idea topics for future videos. Now, to create the automation on Make, I've created the scenario that I've renamed to YouTube Comment Scraper. Since we're using Apify to scrape YouTube comments, here I'm going to search for Apify, then I'm going to click on Run an Actor. Here, you'll need to create a connection between Apify and make.com. To do that, just click on Add, and then rename your connection right here, and then add your API token over here. To add your API token on Apify, click on Settings, then click on API and Integrations. Here, you'll find the API token. Should be this one right here. All you have to do is just copy it, then paste your API token right here, then click on Save, and your connection will be created. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close and choose my connection right here. After choosing my connection, I'm going to choose our tool. Our tool is YouTube Comment Scraper. Here I'm going to choose to run synchronously. Then here we'll input our JSON. Now to add our JSON, I'll go back to our tool, click on JSON, then here I'll copy this JSON, and then before we paste it on Make, I'll paste it on a JSON formatter to format our JSON. Now to format the JSON, I'll click on Process. Then after our JSON has been formatted, I'll copy it, and then on Make, I'll paste our JSON right here, and then I'll leave everything as is, and then click on OK. So with this module, we are scraping comments. So I'll rename it to Comments Scraper. Now, after we've scraped the comments, to get the comments, on Apify, I'll click on the Get Dataset Items. Then here, we need to add our dataset ID, which will be this default dataset ID right here. And then here you can choose to limit it to 1,000, and then click on OK. Now, to scrape comments from this video on Make, I'll run automation. You can see that our automation ran successfully. Here, our tool succeeded in scraping YouTube comments from this video right here. And then with this module, we're getting the comments over here. So we're getting 10 comments that we scraped over here. The reason why we're getting the 10 comments is because here, the maximum comments that we wanted to scrape was 10. So I'll rename this to Get Comment, and then click on OK. Now, after we've scraped the comments, we can add the comments to a Google spreadsheet. I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Scraping Sheet. this sheet, I've renamed it to YouTube comments. So here's where we're going to add our YouTube comments. Here we have 5 columns: author, comment, comments count, video title, and video URL. So here I'm going to search for Google Sheet and click on add a row module. Then here I'm going to search for a sheet. I'm going to click on scraping sheet and then choose our sheet name, which will be YouTube comments. And then here we can add the values of our columns with the data that we scraped from Apify. Now, so for the author, we're going to add the author right here. For the comments, we're going to add the comment right here. Comments count, we're going to add the comments count right here. For the video title, we're going to add the title right here. For the video URL, we're going to add the video URL right here. And then click on OK. So here, I'll rename this to YouTube comments. And then click on OK. To scrape the comments and add the comments to our Google spreadsheet, I'm going to run our automation again. Automation ran successfully. With this module, we scraped comments from a video. Then we got the comments using this module. Then we added the YouTube comments to our Google spreadsheet. On our spreadsheet, you can see we added our data right here. Here we added the author of the comment, also getting the comments count, the video title, and the video URL. All of these videos that we scraped these comments using the simple automation on Make. With this automation, you'll need to manually add the video URL or the video that you like to scrape comments. To make this process easier, we can create another sheet on our spreadsheet that will paste the video URLs of the videos that we like to scrape comments. So on our spreadsheet, I've created another sheet that I've renamed to YouTube video URL. Here is where you'll add the video URLs that you like to scrape comments. To get this sheet on automation right here, I'm going to click on Google Sheet right here and click on watch a new row module. This will be our trigger over here. I'll set up this module. Here I'm going to search for a spreadsheet. Our sheet name is going to be YouTube video URL. You'll see that our video contains headers. You can choose to limit it to 2. Then I'm going to click on OK. Here you'll choose where you'd like to start. You can choose to start since a specific ID. You can also choose to start from all or choose manually. I'm going to choose all, then click on OK. And then I'll run this module. You can see that we're getting our YouTube video URLs right here that we like to scrape YouTube comments. I'll rename this module to YouTube video URLs and click on OK. Now, on our module right here, instead of hard coding the video URLs, we'll add the YouTube video URL column from our spreadsheet, then click on OK. You can also choose to adjust the maximum comments that you like to scrape, but I'm going to leave it as 10 and click on OK. I'll click on choose where to start, and then here I'll choose manually. You'll see the video, all the video URLs of the YouTube videos you like to scrape comments. If you wanted to scrape comments of a particular video, you'll click on choose manually and then choose a specific video that you like to scrape. Since we scraped comments of the first video, I'm going to choose to scrape comments of the second video, which will be this video right here. And then I'll click on OK. And then now to scrape the comments of the second video, I'm going to run automation. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here, we chose our second video. We wanted to scrape comments. Then using our YouTube comment scraper tool on Apify, we succeeded in scraping 10 comments of this video. And then here we got the comments. right here. We got 10 comments of our video that we scraped. Then we added the 10 comments to our Google spreadsheet right here. So now when we open our spreadsheet and then click on YouTube comments, you'll see we have added 10 more comments right here. So here we can insert rows above to separate the comments of the first video and the second video that we just scraped right here. We scrape these comments by creating the simple automation on make.com. With these comments that we scraped using the simple automation on make, we can choose to ask ChatGPT to filter these comments for us either by positive or negative comments. So you can add another module and search for OpenAI and click on create a completion, where the module, we're going to filter comments. So we are going to filter the comments either by positive or negative comments. After AI filters the comments, you can ask ChatGPT to now create content idea topics for you. So you can add another OpenAI module and then rename this module to content idea topics right here. So this module will generate content idea topics from the positive responses that we filtered using the first OpenAI module. And then after AI generates the content idea topics for you on our spreadsheet, we are going to create another spreadsheet that we're going to rename to content idea topics. And then that is a spreadsheet that we're going to add our content ideas topics after we've generated them using this AI module. So here on Google Sheet, you'll click on add a row module. And then for the spreadsheet, you're going to choose our spreadsheet right here. And then for the sheet, you're going to choose your content idea topics sheet right here. And that's the sheet that you're going to add the content idea topics after we've created them using this module right here. This is a simple automation that you can create right now on Make to scrape YouTube comments from video URLs and use the comments to generate content ideas to post on your social media platform. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.